How to create a blog and earn money from it. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to create a blog and earn money from it. Blogging has become a popular way for people to share their thoughts and ideas with the world while also earning money. In this video, I will be sharing some tips on how to create a blog and turn it into a profitable venture. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in creating a blog is to choose a niche, a topic, that you are passionate about. This could be anything from food to fashion, travel to technology. Choose a niche that you have knowledge about and are interested in writing about. This will help you create content that is valuable to your readers. Step 2. Choose a platform. The next step is to choose a platform to create your blog on. There are many options available such as WordPress, Wix, Blogger, and many more. Choose a platform that is easy to use and offers customization options. Step 3. Create content. Once you have chosen a niche and platform, it's time to start creating content. Research your niche and create content that is valuable to your readers. Write informative and engaging posts that people will want to read and share. Step 4. Build an audience. Once you have created content, it's time to start building an audience. Share your blog on social media platforms and engage with your readers. Build a community around your blog and interact with your audience. This will help you grow your audience and increase your blog's visibility. Step 5. Monetize your blog. Once you have built an audience, it's time to start monetizing your blog. There are several ways to do this, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising. You can also offer digital products such as ebooks, courses, and webinars. In conclusion, creating a blog and earning money from it is a great way to share your passion with the world while also earning money. By following these tips, you can create a successful blog and turn it into a profitable venture. Remember to choose a niche that you are passionate about, create valuable content, build an audience, and monetize your blog. Thank you for watching and good luck on your blogging journey.